and it brings you up this login screen. So you use the information that you've put in the registration. So now that you can see you're in the main tool, so in this page, it's asking you for a career stage to be completed. So within the career stage, you have to think about where you are in your career. I am a practice educator, so when I choose here, I will put myself down as a practice educator. And then I choose where I am. So I feel I'm in the specialist generalist because I'm specialising in education. Here it tells me when I have first logged on. It does give you an end date, but don't worry about that. That's kind of a reminder of how for you to use the tool and be active in it. So I just save this right away. Here, confirm that the information you've given is correct. And if you want to double check that, it is here. This is all the information that you've just added about yourself. Okay? If you think that it is not correct, you've entered something incorrectly, you just edit details. So I'm going to confirm it because mine is correct. Okay, so I know there's lots of tabs here. We're going to go into those in a minute, but the first thing I want to talk about down at the bottom is the Career Framework domains. As you can see, there are 9 domains. This is very important when you're doing self-assessments, 360s. This is what you're assessing yourself against. How do you feel you do in your clinical practice, your communication skills, etc. You'll see this as we go further in. Okay, so up here, my career framework, what I want us to do is to enter some contacts. Now, the reason we're doing this is because when you send out a peer assessment, so you want one of your colleagues to assess you, then you will need to have a contact list. So here we go, contacts, add new. As simple as that. And then all you need is the person's first name, and you just say it's a peer. And save and finish. And now Chris is in my email list. You can add as many contacts as you want. That's absolutely fine. You can select who you send stuff to from that list.